The FDR system is a new patented solution that works in conjunction with the Austin Hardware lock-in, lockout 7650 series drawer slides. Key features include: allows one-handed operation. With the FDR, the drawer can be unlatched and opened from the latched closed position. Likewise, it can be unlatched and closed from the latched open position. A 300-pound rated drawer can be pulled open with a single finger. Intuitive to use. The design, location, and function make operation easy. Leverage. The operation of the FDR increases the leverage applied to the triggers to make unlatching easy. Potential binding of the latch triggers is minimized. Flexible. Works with lock-in, lockout slides on both sides, for wide drawers, or with a single lock-in, lockout slide on one side, and a standard slide on the other. The FDR is our most popular front drawer release design. We also offer 2 additional designs, providing the same great solution at a lower cost. The Genesis Drawer Release Pro and the Genesis Drawer Release Lite. Big enough to take care of you and small enough to care. We're your one-stop shop for solutions. www.austinhardware.com